this video, we're going to be looking at finding the probability on the left slope. The first thing we need to know is that just like the rectangular distribution, the probability that we're trying to find is always the area under the graph. The formula you'll need to know is the formula for the area of the triangle, which is half base times height. Let's look at this example. A manager knows the total sales are going to be between 1 million and 10 million, and the most likely amount will be 7 million. A. What is the probability sales are less than 4 million? Let's start by putting the information we know onto the graph. The lowest value is 1 million, the highest value is 10 million, and the most likely value is 7 million. We want to find the probability that it's less than 4 million. So let's draw a line roughly where 4 million will be, and shade in the area we're trying to find out. In order to find out the area of the triangle, we need to know the base times height. The base we can see is 3 wide, and we need to work out the height. We are given this formula on the formula sheet. So what we need to do is put in the numbers from our example into this formula. We know that A is our lowest value, so everywhere that we see an A in our formula, we'll replace it with a 1. We know that B is our highest value, so we'll replace it. And we know that C is our most likely value, which is 7. Cool. X is the value we want to find the height at, so in this case it's 4. If we put all of this in our calculator, we find out our height is 1/9. We need to remember though that this isn't the probability yet, it's just our height. So to work out the probability, we use the area of a triangle. So from before, we know the base is 3, and the height was 1/9. This means the probability that there is less than 4 million in sales is 1/6. What if instead though, they asked us the probability that it was more than 4 million, like this? We know that probabilities all add up to 1. So if the bottom bit was 1/6, the remaining part that we've just shaded would have to be 5/6.